welcome you all here today on behalf of our respected ambassador and entire team of Pakistan Embassy in Berlin at the occasion of Pakistan's 75th independence celebrations. Ladies and gentlemen, let me first take you through the program of today's event. We will have a recitation of Holy Quran followed by flag hoisting and national anthem of Pakistan. The messages of the President, Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan will be read out. Then our ambassador will deliver his remarks, which will be followed by a national song by children, cake cutting, a theatre performance, and finally refreshments. Now we will start today's event with recitation of verses from Holy Quran, for which I'd invite Leena Shehzad. Assalamu alaikum.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا.
I would now request our ambassador for flag hosting, please.
Zoom out करें.